We have planned for, must be close to 25 kilometres worth of traps in the Doubtful Valley. What I've been doing is helping with the other trustees to plan this operation and to do fundraising and to gain the volunteers to firstly put the traps out and then to maintain them over the coming years. That's been our job for the last year, and we're just about to start putting those traps out and start this operation in the field. The first thing we're hoping to achieve is a reduction in the pest numbers in that valley, particularly stoats, public enemy number one. And then as a result of that, we're hoping to see an increase in the bird life in the area. Things like the great spotted or the raroa, they are in low numbers in the valley. We'd like to see more of them. There's also Whio or the blue duck. They're currently estimated to be around 3,000 in the country. This valley has some ideal territory for the blue duck, which like tumbling, very clean water streams. And also Kea. Kea are sometimes heard in the valley, but in vastly reduced numbers to what they used to be. So we'd like to see bird numbers increasing, but specifically those three.